What's up guys, today we are going to be making the best banana bread you'll ever make at home. Alright, let's get right to it. So first you're going to start off by creaming 3/4 of a cup of salted butter that's at room temperature with 1.5 cups of sugar. Then mix in 2 eggs one at a time. Also don't forget to preheat your oven to 350. Alright, so next we're going to need 4 very overripe bananas.
Banana!
So you're going to mash them together with a fork and then add it to the mixture along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So now we're going to sift 2 cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add it to the mixture alternately with 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Alright, now we're going to mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon with 1 cup of brown sugar. Then we're going to grease 2 loaf pans and add a little bit of the batter to each one. Now spread some of the brown sugar mixture on top and then add a little more batter. Then smooth it out, add some more brown sugar, and then you're ready to bake it. Then repeat this process for the next one. Bake it for about 50 minutes or you can test to see if the inside's cooked with a toothpick. Once it's done, let it cool and cut around the edges and take it out. Once it's cooled a little more, feel free to dig in. You're not going to want to stop eating it. It's got a nice crunchy sugar top and it's so soft and fluffy in the middle. Also, feel free to add nuts before you bake it. And if this recipe is too sweet for you, feel free to skip the brown sugar mixture, it'll still be amazing.